And now it's time to pack!
Hey, what is up guys, MysticKon here, and today we're going to be opening up a handful of some goodies. We're going to be opening up some of these 2-pack, 3-card promo packs with Battle Styles, Darkness Ablaze, some Fusion Strikes, and I believe, Vivid Voltage, I believe. And then we're going to also be opening up a couple Wells Fargo packs, some Vivid Voltage, and a Evolving Skies. Yes, I will not show the code cards this time, especially because I really don't care. Let's just go dive into it, see what we can get. Nothing, let's go. I haven't opened a lot of Darkness Ablaze here and there, but I know I have the Charizard all graded up. I think the non-rainbow one, but nothing crazy from there. Now we're gonna get into some Fusion Strikes. I pretty much totally skipped this entire set. Water Energy, Totodile, first Landorus, and hey, we got our first actual pull. We got a Bolton V, which is very, very off-centered. Now we got some Vivid Voltage. And then we got 2 more packs to go and open up before the end of the video. Ooh, let's go. We got reverse Charizard. I'll take that. Sadly, he's really off-centered, but I'll take it. I'll take a Charizard. Now, the next ones will be a lot easier to go and open up, so we're going to start off with Vivid. And these are pretty much the Walgreens packs, so we might be getting something, or we might just not get anything. Yeah, and this pack is kind of loose, and it's really flat on this, so it's kind of sketchy, but let's open it up. See, we got something. They look like real cards, so looks all good as of right now. reverse Skidoo, and we got a Orbital V. Nothing crazy, but at least it's a hit. Now we're gonna get into the best pack, which is Evolving Skies, but one of the most expensive modern Pokemon sets. This one's a little better. Doesn't look as bad as the Vivid Voltage pack. Now, I've had bad luck with Evolving Skies, so we're just gonna sit, honestly, right for it on a Salamence. I'm not even gonna sleeve that, honestly. Just gonna smack it in there, call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go in the comment section below. Tell me how you guys personally did it, how you did it, but how you liked the video. And also let me know if you guys personally opened any of these and how you guys did, or generally any sets. And I will see you guys next time.